Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Ford Ecosport key battery. This is an easy process that you can do yourself in just a few minutes. First, gather your materials. You'll need one new CR2032 coin cell battery and a small flathead screwdriver. Having these items ready will make the process smooth and quick. Next, we'll access the emergency key. Look for a small button on the side or bottom of your key fob. Press this button firmly and then slide out the hidden metal emergency key. This key is important for manual entry if your fob battery dies completely. Set it aside in a safe place for now. Now, let's open the key fob casing. With the emergency key removed, you'll see a small notch or slot where the key was. Insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this notch. Gently twist the screwdriver to pry apart the two halves of the fob. Take care not to force it, as the plastic can be delicate. Finally, it's time to replace the battery. Carefully pry out the old battery, noting which side faces up. Insert your new CR2032 battery with the positive, or plus, side facing upwards. Then, align the two halves of the key fob and gently press them together until they snap securely. Slide the emergency key back into its slot, and your key fob is ready to use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.